The science is clear. Climate change is caused by humans.
The earth is getting hotter.
So drive less and bike more.
Single-use plastic does not help anyone.
Use a refillable water bottle instead.
Climate change is happening, and the University of Maryland is continuing to be a national leader on climate action. But Terps can do more.
At the University of Maryland, students, faculty, and staff are creating solutions to the world's most vexing problems. You can see and feel a commitment to sustainability throughout the university's teaching, research, service, and operations.
Snakes.
UMD is striving to achieve net zero carbon emissions from campus operations. All new buildings are carbon neutral and integrate green design features such as green roofs and solar panels. Interior spaces incorporate compost bins and motion detector lights. Campus buildings are also living labs for sustainability, where students can design and test new solutions, such as this patent-pending device that prevents unnecessary toilet flushing. Many solutions are the result of UMD's innovative research. Nutrient-rich substrates are now used on area rooftop farms. Sphagnum moss is a part of the pool filtration system in the Epley Recreation Center, reducing reliance on pool chemicals and saving water. And we have a sustainable farm in Upper Marlborough and growing spaces around campus. Some of the produce from these ventures is served in campus dining halls, sold at the campus farmers market, or donated to community members in need. We try to be a steward of natural resources within our watershed. To that end, water draining across campus is measured and monitored by strategically placed stormwater sensors and controls before flowing into the Chesapeake Bay watershed. Sustainability is part of who we are. That's why there are nearly 50 degree programs that prepare students to work on environmental issues. For faculty and staff, there are numerous programs they can participate in while reducing their environmental footprint. And the Sustainability Fund awards more than $250,000 each year to support sustainable initiatives. Previous recipients include the Food Recovery Network, water bottle filling stations, and DOTS Bicycle Recycling Project. The University of Maryland is addressing complex, interconnected issues such as climate change by investing in strategies to restore the well-being of all life on our planet. Together, Terrapin Strong, we can help solve grand challenges for a brighter, cleaner, and more equitable future. To learn more and be a part of the solution, join us at sustainability.umd.edu.